Medieval Baking with Octavia. Cherry Torte, 15th century Naples. It is early spring right now in Malagentia, so fresh cherries unfortunately were not an option for me, so I used 1 pound dried cherries. In the southern region of Italy, cherries would not have started coming into the markets until early summer. Cut the dried cherries very fine. Using fresh cherries would drastically change this torte. The dried version gives a more raisiny warmth to the dish, if using fresh cherries also cut rather fine. Add 1 pound whole milk ricotta to cut cherries. Ricotta is a cheese that is made from what is left over after the production of other cheeses. It uses what is left of the whey from either sheep, cow, or goat's milk. It would have been a great way to make sure that nothing goes to waste. Add a half a cup of sugar. Due to the humid tropical climate of early Sicily, they were producing sugar as early as the 10th century. Add 3 eggs, half a teaspoon ground ginger, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and a pinch of black pepper. Combined all together. I allow it to sit overnight in the fridge for the cherries to rehydrate. Using a simple pie dough of equal parts fat to flour, line desired pie tart or pie pan. Bake at 350 until golden brown and mixture is firm to the touch. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. Much love, Octavia.